process it is me how yeah where road come this I pass out. It was can with the women no I've been there since 2 days. So because me how China man wanna tibezi the madu biazia on this street be here police and I charge her to court. They look at the court and the magistrate Jumam for the fact I don't even want him to go to the prison. Let him just let me be. The woman that's not away and I denied it. So everybody was angry at me. He said, because I don't want him to go to prison. This one he's threatening me. I get memunka. Prison. So let me just allow him, let him go, let me go. So maybe they withdraw the case. And that's there from court. So because after that they reminded him in the prison. I want to sell cricket. So much as it would a bail where I bail them. So committee up, he was bailed. Yeah, but I said Mpado Mporo the children. Aina village. When we travel to the village, they lose their boy bendi be habali amba. Say okay, young woman. Osini chosi. You want to be ready when anybody anything. So the be habak deli amba wahonya. Osani achi on nama wahonya kwe esoya. Ya jezi aje pota 3 old men. Ma photo be for 15 years in go with him. I photo be those people. I'm able to go there. So one day I said Mukunya I can buy. I have my children. Also I carried my bag. I narrow a bag. So those was picky those old men. Even those old men are mad on them buke Lucy buy. They buy this so my elder sister Sibedi and Wata awesome men on around. Where they need to know mangi Gaju when need to know and Nampolia police Nyaji Makamuela Luna cell. With strangers I don't even know. Number 2, like when you know she like a dude. And this man, Otemi Feleniro, he shamed me. You can't even send that person home like that. Marriage of 15 years. I did not even come out with pain. This man seized everything, even the creep.
Okwerozimodidi. Kedu ihe a na-ebela akwa ihe a na Chukwu zọrọ gị ndụ ọkpọlọgịkwa in fact God mgbe a sị gị pụọ sefu mgbe ị fụrụ na ha na-ele ibọn gị ịka nọkwala ebe afọ ọtịle were ihe kụọ gị n'isi azụbi na ịdalụ na ibinire kedu ife ị ga-agwa chi gị ụmụaka afọ ị na-asị ebe ị ga-akpọ ha wee jee kedu ebe ha kala ịnọ there I don't understand nna some women anwụoke iyi na fa ga-anwụ na marriage what is all this ka anyị na-agakwa
credentials, my certificate from school, everything, my birth certificate, my everything. Apart from 3 pieces of clothing, is thinking that we are coming back so that I can go back to work. Because I was working as a teacher, part-time teacher in some schools due to that oral this is a professional course in oral communication and diction. So I was teaching diction to different schools. They make you go when I take care of my children. So I never knew that no way different plans for me. I didn't even take clothes. I took only 3 or 4 clothes to like those are the only things better man wear puta. So Lutezia Kube also near Josino. Niba na Jackie him or say how much achieving him may have Yaba Beha Niamon anything in my house. So I met Yanabazia with all those humiliation and everything. Mas Namana Hagazi. Namana Hagas, my other sister Smaga was not even according to my other sister the full story. Just what he displayed made my other sister magazine. So I'm not himself number hype kajubazi ese otu ha ga-esi wee na Anambra because mụ abụọ ya Anambra ya nwa bụ onye arụ ndị zo Chineke mee ụmụ natabai ka Chineke si ha luta n'afịa be nna m juba ese na ha na-aga so family or one of my mother's brother relative ya fụ ha n'afịa ba ebe ha na-ajụ si ese wee tụ na ọhịa abụkwa ụmụ nwanne ya nwaanyị wee buzielu ha bunata ha be nna m even ha si moto ha zi wee si Imo State nata Anambra no free ka ndị mmadụ bụ ha. That's how I would have lost my children. And
I would have blamed you.
So the thing, I'm not there by my about when I get back to Lagos. I'm every place child I'm not. So Chineke me my husband, papa small. Waited to me my elder sister. After 3 months, my guy married this year. So my second daughter on the men we here. Female, you watch her. Is my DP. She's one of the faces, not there. So. Yeah, on a moment, little female no. So my on long with a map of design, also that me where I added to my little money rent that 1 room. So mụ na ụmụ m bizigharị ma akpọgotezie ndị ọzọ the three nọ na east anyị na ncha biri. So anyị na-ebikwa o Chineke meela onwe ya aha after because the whole separation and everything happened in 2018. So since then I've been taking care of, even before then, even when I want to take care of my children alone. So maybe then one okay, then a child I got drug, he even made his jump, but I can jump 2 times, but the money did not come. So my totally all obere ya lụtụ my tears ya bụ ga-amụ ebe a ga-emesi. So megidezi in 2002 o nwere one project mebido save bezie ego save gide even na mụ na ụmụ m bụrụ ọnụ o nweghị ihe anyị emerọ ka m wee save the money me save 2 million say ka m were wee bido something. I used like 2 years to save this money. So in the process of project nchozi ije wee mee ka o nwee somebody say ka m ya na bụ team up ka I produce a movie. So the person, the person got Nigeria. So the money I did on my account, the 2 million. I don't borrow you always somebody because when we be my like if when you open ma or a pesa or complain when I hear money when help. So one lady, a single mother, name my business or complain when you need to support her business. When you 1 million out of 2 million as come over in a bank here. So yeah, you use the money for 5 months. You want the money. So in the process is it. Made me tear somebody na on a group somebody added me to that group because cryptocurrency and all that. May invest the little money with the thing really my money. So my bought the boy put him through. Sanya use name is not this thing I brought here madu give me face here because us near boy rice na beans so no rice can I say okay in my business in let's see the rice now leave this thing because the problem near na parents ya bi Onitsha. So no more anybody no get settle ya no obere ego ya na-enweta no it's like ya na-agbalụ ndị na-ebunye ya ahịa boy because ha megide m ya lesi nke ha bunye ya wechi ego no nwezi anything ga dị n'aka and the person the lady m ya 1 million na kwuchi ya bụ the money this two na nwesi okay ihe mere no bla no nwe ego nwe and na m chi ije wee bido ihe a na-eme na April last year April 2024 nwesi ihe mere no nwe ego nwe but na m eji ebido something na September one of my child ga school and joke about school even nke tonya na baro ka nwa nwanyị ba and not from that money go get school from there can get no from there can get where my project so but instead of the money garden account can you get within 3 months you me back no problem. The man the child happy can I give them you know kama ka get me kwa me hojo no wa kan kan
happy alụlụ kedu ki na kedu ka gị nwa afụrọ nke ilili nke inyela ụmụaka ga-eji wee wele ego ịfụrụ afụ na akaụntụ gị nye mmadụ sị na ịda afụ mmadụ ịda ala ike ịfụ mmadụ nke ọ tara afụfụ ịda ala in fact ka anyị na-aga maka na akụkọ tere aka mana iwu na-ewu m ya like I don't know kedu ụdị ebela afụfụ bụ ihe nke anwa onye ịmarọ ime itili within few oh God
so my gamara shop ya ebe ọ na-ele rice so many the work moves near 1 million said to pay to give me 200,000 1.2 after 3 months or after 3 months so what are the money